and tighten it up, which means that you are then hands-free. So now I'm going to look at the assembly and sort of basic usage of the lacing and stitching pony from Ivan Leathercraft. This was sent to me as part of a giveaway that I'm doing, but I thought I'd do a review. So it comes in 2 pieces and some screws. So this is the base, and this is the piece that will actually be doing the work and holding your piece together. So you take your 4 screws and screw the base on, straight in. And then you take this nice big, there you go, nice big bolt with a flat piece on. It goes in here, and we'll just screw into the matching nut that's been placed in there. And then what you do is, let me just screw this up. Once this is set up and ready to go, you'll probably keep it where it is for a lot of the time. So you find it start to get a little bit tougher, and then what we're going to do is just keep on screwing. You can cheat and pull the wood in a little bit just to help you. There's a washer that goes on there as well. Put the washer on here so it doesn't break through the wood. This would be attached to the base, but I'm not going to do it because somebody else can do that when they win it. Your piece of leatherwork would go in the top and tighten it up, which means that you are then hands-free. This would be sat up upright. You can use something very similar to this in other videos. It means that you can be sat up and hand sew here. As mentioned, there is a flat base which you just screw straight in, which you can either sit on and have it poking up between your legs, or you can just clamp that down to a table, and if you're sat at the table or standing up, you have something to hold your work while you hand sew. This is the lacing and stitching pony from Ivan Leathercraft. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more leatherworking tips, tricks and build-alongs, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon to be notified when new videos go live.